What's up guys, Alec here. Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I wanted to go over two of the main ways to launch, and that's through giveaways. And I want to explain and kind of lay out a few of the main things with two of the biggest giveaway services that I know of and that ton of people use to get to their products to page one. And I'm just going to share some of my experiences and some of my thoughts to help you guys out. Pick which service you want and help you guys make a decision on what you want to use to get your product ranked and moving on to the first page. So the two biggest ones are Viral Launch and JUMPSEND. In my opinion, Viral Launch is the biggest and best launch service platform around and available that there is today. Viral Launch started with as being just a launch service company, so they kind of know what they're doing. They have everything nailed down for pretty much strictly all launches. And then as time went on, they kind of went into other things like product discovery and other platforms and services. But their main platform was as a launch service. So Viral Launch for a few years now, they have experience. They know what they're doing. That's their main gig. That's what their software does. So Viral Launch has it really hammered down as to the data behind everything and what you need to do to get your product to page one. So in my experience, I've used both. I've used Viral Launch and I've used JUMPSEND. Now, real quick, I just want to explain what the kind of fees are behind the two companies and the services and softwares and what you get for each. So with Viral Launch, it's a one-time fee. You basically just, once you're ready to launch your product, you set up a Viral Launch and you pay one-time fee for, I think it's $300, and I have a coupon below. You can click that link and it'll save you $50. So I think it'll come out to $250. But for $250, you get a one-time launch, and that could run from 7 to 15 days. So that runs from anywhere from 7 to 15 days. So they give you a block of time where you could put in your giveaway units, and it'll drip them out every single day for however many days on autopilot. So that's really what I like the most about Viral Launch. It's very hands-off. They're very reliable, and you could trust them highly. And I really enjoyed that because I knew I was in good hands with them. You're paying a little bit more for the service, but after all the work and after everything you put into your products and sourcing and importing and whatever you need to do to get your products into Amazon, you want to hit it hard with a bang, and you don't want to come in like on a shaky ground. You want to get your product noticed, ranked, and get it ranked on the first page for whatever keywords you want to be on the first page for. So with Viral Launch, you could rank for I think it's up to 4 keywords, but they only recommend 1 or 2. And I also recommend that you stick to 1 keyword, because the more keywords you add in there, you're going to dilute the launch. So basically, if you have 300 units to give away and that's targeting 1 keyword, it's going to give it all the power to that 1 keyword. And then if you split it up and break it up into 2 keywords, then it's just going to weaken your potential for each keyword. So what they recommend sometimes is doing back-to-back launches for each keyword. If you have, let's say, 3 or 4 main keywords that you want to rank for, you could do separate launches for each. But that's Viral Launch. So I mean, for $250, that's what you get. Also, what's extremely helpful with Viral Launch is you get a coach. So you can email them at any time and email them back and forth. They're going to help you out. So if you're confused, and especially as a beginner, if you're confused about how many units to give away for your product, sometimes it could be confusing. You don't know what the market looks like, what the first page looks like. So contact them, and they're going to help you out as much as possible. They're going to give you the giveaway units, the main keyword to rank for. Sometimes people ask me, what keyword should I give away for? Viral Launch will help you out with that too. They are very sophisticated. They have a lot of data, and they are very good at what they do. So they've been around for many years now, and like I said in the beginning, they hit home what they're doing with their launch service. So they have a coach. Email them, and they're going to help you out with whatever you need. So giveaway units, launch numbers, and everything like that. They can help you set it up, and it's pretty easy. You put in your giveaway units for a few days, how many you want to do, and what strategies, and that's basically it. You start the launch, and it'll do it automatically on autopilot, and you could rest assured that When I did this, I was ranked on first page, #1 spot within 3 days. That was in my case. I don't know if that could happen for everybody, but if you're giving away the proper amount of units, pretty much guarantee you that you're gonna be ranked on the first page within 3 to 5 to 7 days. And so you could pretty much trust them and what they're telling you. A con about viral launch, sometimes they're gonna tell you to give away way too many units than you actually have to give away. And from my experience, and I just want to give you guys all the in-depth things that not many people are going to tell you, and that's why you're watching my channel, because I'm giving you no BS information. I'm just telling you the way it is. Sometimes viral launch is going to tell you need to give away 30 units a day when you really only have to give away 15 to accomplish your goal, which is to get on page 1. So they're going to tell you that extra 10 to 15 units. Why? Because they want to guarantee you're getting on the first page, so that their service works 100%. Now you can get on. You're definitely going to get on 50 on the first page with that many units, but sometimes you can get on with a lot less units, and they're not going to tell you that because they want to get on that first page. So use your judgment. If you go with viral launch, I recommend that service. It's great, and you're going to be in good hands. The other service, like I mentioned, was JUMPSEND, and if you kind of know what you're doing, I would recommend this one as well. The only difference is JUMPSEND is really not a dedicated launch platform. JUMPSEND, their main software is email automation, and then they added the launch platform later. But it does work, and you can accomplish your goals with that as well. With JUMPSEND and viral launch, there was one really big separating differentiator between the two. But JUMPSEND recently just put in place 2 months ago this one thing, and that's basically keyword rankings. So JUMPSEND, what they were doing before was they were just giving away to basically couponers, and they would purchase the product through the link. The link was not any type of super URL or storefront link, and when the customer purchased, you would get rank credit, but it wouldn't be for a targeted keyword. So if you know anything about selling on Amazon, and if you're a beginner, keyword ranking stems from how many units you give away for a certain keyword. So basically what a customer types in and purchases. So with the super URL that viral launch had, so it was basically tricking the system to say that like people were purchasing through garlic press rather than just going and finding the product and purchasing through that way. So it was getting a ton of more rank credit that way, which helps a lot. So JUMPSEND did not have that. But as of recently, they do have keyword rankings, and you could specifically target certain keywords. Like I said, you have up to 4. I would only recommend doing 1, maybe 2. So that's the real difference. JUMPSEND is $29.99 per month, but you're also getting a email service and sequence with that, and that's $29 per month. And if you don't have an email sequence and an autoresponder, and you're doing Amazon, you have to get that. I highly recommend it. It's just basically automated emails, customer service. I'll have the link to JUMPSEND in the description, and I also have another video on my channel explaining how to set up JUMPSEND and the email templates and the sequences that go out that will get you tons of reviews. Completely TOS in terms of service. Check that video out. But they're basically an email autoresponder system, and they have the giveaway option. So you can do it this way. Sometimes I feel, and this is just my opinion, I feel that JUMPSEND, they're not that great at the giveaway service. Sometimes a lot of people redeem these coupon codes and they don't go and purchase it. You want to guarantee you're getting X amount of units per day. So maybe you want to go a little bit over the coupons you give away, but that's just my opinion. It'll work, but if you know what you're doing, you could use JUMPSEND. But in my full opinion, if you're a beginner, I would completely recommend that you use viral launch. They're just going to hold your hand, walk you through everything. Like I said, giveaways, keywords to give away to, and you could just rest assured that you're going to be in good hands. You're going to get your product to page 1. JUMPSEND does not have a consultant to help you out. That's why I recommend, if you're more experienced, to use that giveaway method. But those are the main things I wanted to speak about. Hopefully this video helped you guys. It's all from my experience and things that I've used in the past and what has helped me. And I just want to share my experiences with you guys. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm constantly releasing videos about Amazon FBA, private label, living the laptop lifestyle. And check out my videos on my channel. I have tons of videos about product research and how to find amazing products, profitable products that can make you thousands of dollars per month. So check that out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys on the next video.